Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, original, authentic, one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh, and that's We Wish You a Merry Christmas by Twin Musicom. And I wish all my subscribers, viewers, potential subscribers, friends, and fans a very Merry Christmas, and that they will have, not too long from now, a very happy New Year. It's like 15 days, I think. No, it's the 16th. I can't see very well, even when the computer's in front of my face. I'm trying to look at the calendar. I thought it was Tuesday. I guess it's Monday. So I am trying. Just got some on my thumb. Sara Lee's Blueberry Pie. Now I haven't had their blueberry pie before. I've had their cherry. I've had their apple. I've had their peach. This is the first, and there's the pie baked in the oven. So let's try this. I'll take a big bit of blueberry, some crust, and you can see the pie there. My plastic plate. I have a lot of plates, by the way, on the bottom. I have to move the canned goods. Oh, that's really good. My favorite pie is peach and then banana cream, but this is good. It's not as good as Claim Jumpers, which is my favorite kind of pie, but I don't think they make blueberry. But these were buy one, get one free, and I said, well, I got cherry here, I got apple, pumpkin. Everybody gets pumpkin pie. I'll try something different. It's sweet. My crust is not hard. I don't know how else to describe it. Lots of blueberries. There's the bottom crust. I watched it to make sure it didn't burn. Took an hour to cook this, bake this, whatever it's called. This is my start of my dinner, so working backwards. Most people have dessert after dinner. I have it before dinner because I haven't figured out what I'm going to eat. Okay, football tonight. I haven't looked yet. I've been a little busy. Posting unboxing videos, camera videos. I'll go out and do some filming after I've had a bit of a rest because I came back gasping for air as usual. I'll go out there and film something, make sure it's 5 minutes. That was the problem. I went over at the kitty cats. Orangey's fine, Gray's fine, Tiny One's fine, Mama Cat Kitten, all the kitties are fine. They all get fed. Well, actually, mine haven't yet. But little girl ate. Fuzzy and little girl and Fluffy will be fed a little later. All right, one last bite here. And one day we'll have ice cream with pie. Would be nice. All right. And if you want to help the kitties and the channel, donate to George Senda at Falky2013 at gmail.com. That's my PayPal address. The link is in the description. And please, no tacky one cent donations for the cats, which is beyond tacky. And if you want to send gift cards, gifts, cash, money orders, checks to me to help the kitties, to help support the channel, to buy channel improvements, like I did with the new camera light. And for those who haven't seen the video yet, I jury rigged something that there there's the camera light. So I got it working. Very bright, so I will be going out and I'll be able to see Santa and go out a bit and put my jacket on, my scarf, my hat, my shoes, my cane, and go out and film some Christmas decorations. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. It is 6:07. I fed the cats real early, about 4 o'clock, so it was broad daylight. No other mail, so no mail time tonight. Just the gift from Open Lunch Jerry. Thank you, Jerry. And except for the newspaper, I did not solicit anything that came in that envelope, but I am very happy to get it. And thank you, Jerry and Blanche, for sending it to me. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool. And if you see Steve Wynn, tell him he owes me 34 cents. Stay warm and dry out there. Stay safe, and stay safe on the roads because back east, big snowstorm and ice. So Pennsylvania, New York, New Jersey, and points north, west, south, and east, upstate New York. All right. Have a good evening. I'll catch you next time, tomorrow sometime. Bye-bye for now.